Hello everyone, it's SparklingChar and welcome back to my channel. Coming in to do a video for a very special happy mail that I got. And it's from Bambi Olson, who also lives in Illinois. And I'm just so grateful. Look how cute this is. So thankful and grateful that the front is decorated and all that she thought about me. That is so sweet. And she had reached out to me and she sent me some goodies, guys. And I opened it for, the video thing, but I didn't get a chance to see what's in here. And this is like, let me see. Get the card. Oh, look like journal because oh, this is so sweet. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at the butterfly. She said, "Hi, Char. Surprise happy mail. I hope you can use these items in your craft. Hugs, Bambi Olson." Oh, this is so nice. And then at the bottom is handmade by Bambi. Handcrafted by Bambi. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, I love this. Look at this butterfly. So she got in here a book. Because she was asking me about do I journal. And I told her I was, trying to learn how to do it. Because you guys know I had made that my little, you guys remember I had put this together, my little envelope journal. And when I did this with the envelopes, I was so intrigued on how they be, how they do they, isn't she cute? How they do they journals. I watch a lot of journal videos too, guys. Yeah. And she gave me some little pockets. Oh, these are nice. She gave me a lot of these. Thank you. And then the inside of here, she gave me some cards. Like, oh, postcards that you put in the journal. Good times and tan lines. Paradise poolside. Okay, this is nice. And then this is a piece of paper. And then here is, ooh, it's some music sheets in here. Wow. Okay, this is the book with the spine. A Light in the Attic book cover. Oh, wow. This is a nice size, too. This is going to be nice to make. Oh, guys, I'm definitely going to be working on that. This is some paper from 1972. Wow, talk about vintage. I'm trying to see where it's from. I don't know. It doesn't state what. There's something here about a Pennsylvania fair. Kutztown, Pennsylvania fair. I don't know, guys. This is really cool, Brandy. This is really cool. Wow. Wow, this is really cool. 1972. I can't remember how old I was. Was I 10? 9? I think I was 9. It's a shame I can't remember. Okay, so this is nice to use this vintage paper. And then these music sheets. Look, guys, look. Wow. This is the music of John Carter. Wow. This is nice. Thank you, Bambi. This is really nice. And this is more music sheets. Wow. I don't know if Bambi does videos. I think she used to. I don't know if she still do it or not, guys. But thank you so much. This is so sweet. So when I start on my journal, trust me, I'm going to let you know. Because Angelina has sent me some journaling stuff too. So that's a sign, right, guys? This is awesome. Thank you so much, Bambi. Bambi Olson, guys. Oh, this is so sweet. Yay! Wow. This antique paper and these music sheets. This is awesome. When I see the people doing the journals like Dear Julie and Junk Journals and more. And then there's Perfectly Imperfect Cat, who is perfectly imperfect. And yeah, Elizabeth from what is Elizabeth's channel? She does the Fobonichi kind of thing. She call it Fobonichi for the Hobonichis. And I'm amazed by it. Jade, she does it too. What is Jade channel? I watch them all the time, how they just write their thoughts down and they decorate and it's just awesome. And then I met a lot of more people that journal when we did the Christmas and collab, so that's kind of awesome. So thank you, Bambi. And thank you guys for stopping by to see my goodies. This is really some surprise Happy Mail. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember to always sparkle. Bye for now.